May 30th is a memorable day in the glorious history of Goa because it is celebrated as Goa Statehood Day. On this day, in the year 1987, Goa was separated from Daman and Diu as a union territory and was declared a state, a full-fledged state in the country of India. And subsequently in that year, in the year 1987, Konkani was declared as the official language on the state of Goa, and Goa, as the rest of the world knows it as the pearl of the Indian Ocean, slowly started, getting the name Amche Sobit Goen, and we Goans proudly started calling ourselves Goenkar. Okay, so that is the importance of 30th of May, that is the Goa Statehood Day.
As rightly decided by the Honorable Chief Minister, theme of Goa, Green Goa, Clean Goa and Golden Goa. We are indeed blessed for being in such a lovely state. This we realize when we travel elsewhere, like how lucky we are, how blessed we are. And Goa still can be not the best, it can become the best state in Goa, but it can become the best state in the world. Okay, that is what we have been blessed with. There are some issues which you and us can tackle, like waste management, certain infrastructure. As Honorable Chief Minister has said, there is a lot of infrastructure work is being taken up, which is ongoing, and which will make a huge impact on our lives, to make our lives better, and in terms of Goa as a tourism destination.
I am in front of you to share and to give you some brief introduction about various rules that have been framed by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Earlier it was Ministry of Environment and Forest. Now it is MOF and CC. In 2016, they enacted about 6 rules. Out of these 6 rules, 4 rules have been amended till date.